I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you legally own the boat and have the registration paperwork ready. This prevents disputes later. Once done, park in shade and mask surrounding gel coat with painter's tape. Heat the numbers with a heat gun on low to soften adhesive. Do not overheat. Then lift an edge with a plastic scraper while applying continuous heat. Make sure to pause and reheat rather than forcing. That protects the fiberglass and clear coat. After peeling most of the decal, apply an automotive adhesive remover and let it dwell for the manufacturer's suggested time so the solvent penetrates. Next, gently work residue with a plastic pad or nylon brush in the grain direction to avoid scratching. If stubborn spots remain, repeat short heat and solvent cycles rather than aggressive scraping. Once clean, rinse thoroughly with fresh water and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Inspect under varied light to ensure no adhesive or staining remains before proceeding to final finishing. To finish, use a non-abrasive rubbing compound to remove light haze, followed by a fine polish to restore shine. This evens out any removed decal sheen. Then apply a marine-grade wax or sealant to protect the surface. If you notice paint or gel coat damage, touch it up with matching marine paint or clear coat, prime small chips and cure properly. Troubleshooting tip: if ghosting persists after polishing, use a clay bar and repeat polish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.